Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Today we're going to be discussing gold. Now I'm just on the US 30, and the reason for that is momentum jumped back to the risk side of the ledger yesterday, and that was partly due to President Trump's comments about opening up the US economy. There was also news that came out about a drug company in the US that had basically found a treatment for the coronavirus. Now that's still early at the moment, but we'll be looking at that as it progresses. But this shift basically saw some very strong buying on the US 30 and backing into risk markets in general. So the Aussie we can see here, and the Euro, after what looked like complete bear moves, that changed dramatically today, and US 30 sort of displays that quite well at the moment. So we can see in the out of hours of futures, US futures are higher, and US 30 is currently trading close to 2% higher. Now this all rolls back to gold, because gold's been seeing a lot of benefit lately from uncertainty, and it's a bit of a investment in times of unease, and it has been the case with some really strong rallies. Now the US dollar hasn't been completely moving in gangbuster terms, but we did see earlier this week the dollar jump to the CAD, but overnight we did see a bit of a move down, as noted before. Markets move back against risk. So this really does start to put forward the question of what happens now for gold, and we have seen yesterday this fade. Now that's set up at this point a new lower high, and we are seeing some selling so far today. Now after what's been an amazing run up, really, we saw over 5% added in this section here. We're going to see a deeper pullback, and could we see possibly a move back down to 1700, or to test even into the high 1600 areas? And what we're just keeping an eye on right now is we have a fast trend here. It's just starting to be tested, and we have a very fast trend here that has been broken now. So what we want to see is, if we do see a pullback, are we going to find some sort of support in this area, or could we see a move a little bit deeper, possibly down to test this low? And the market has moved a fair way off the averages, and sometimes, as we do see, markets still have to pull back to the average after they do become extended. So it doesn't always happen, but it does. At one stage it will do that. So that's what we'll want to watch tonight, is this how if optimism does continue to increase in the US, and we do see a lot more money moving back into stocks, is that going to have a negative impact on gold, and could we see some exiting from gold into tonight's session? So that will be one of the focuses tonight. So bit going on. We hope you've had a great trading week, and enjoy the rest of your trading day, and until next week, good trading, and bye for now.